Okay, hello and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. Today we will fix some colors in Photoshop, and first of all I want to mention to you guys I'm not a pro, I'm just a learner and I'm sharing my way of doing stuff. Correct me if I am wrong, and the technique does not work well every time. Sometimes things go terribly wrong. Okay, so I'm going to show two ways of correcting color, or you can say white balance. One method will be with camera raw and the second method without camera raw, but I recommend taking photos in raw so you can do the white balance changes quickly using camera raw. I find raw more convincing, but it's your personal preference. Okay, let's look at these pictures. These pictures are in raw file format. By the way, she is Pooja Banerjee, a really beautiful model and a very good friend of mine. So quickly looking at the specs of this picture, we'll jump straight into camera raw and do the adjustment with the white balance using camera raw. Okay, so here these pictures are all taken in auto white balance, and the ISO is 250 and shutter speed is 1/25 of the second. Aperture in this picture it's f2.8, means f by 2.8, and for the second picture ISO remains the same, and here the shutter speed is 1/60th of a second and the aperture is f by 1.8. okay, so let us open Photoshop and import one of these photo into Photoshop, and as the picture is in raw format, so Photoshop will directly open it in camera raw. So as you can see, Pooja's skin color in this picture is kind of red, though this red color is creating a mood for this picture. Here my intention is to show you how to change it. Okay, so let's begin. Here you can see this tool, this one, yes, click on this. Now select a black area like a black color background or something like that, or the dark shadow of the skin. Okay, so here let us select this shadow area, and here you go. Photoshop will make every important adjustment for you and you will get a good color tone of the skin just like that. So easy. Okay, make some adjustment, some more adjustment with the exposure, contrast, black and white of this image, and here we go. Okay, so though this picture needs more skin retouching, here I will not show this right now, as the purpose of this video is to show you how to change the white balance. So let's repeat this process and quickly adjust the white balance of the second picture. Okay, so this picture is in JPG format. This is not in camera raw, and this picture is not in raw format. So this is the process how you can adjust the white balance without the help of camera raw, means this camera raw. So here we go. First of all, I need to make a blank layer. Then I need to fill it with 50% gray. For this there is a shortcut, that is shift and backspace, hold it, and here you can see 50% gray. Press OK. Now from opacity you need to select difference. I know it's strange looking, but hold on. Then this thing, threshold, I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. You need to select this and you need to bring this cursor over here, to the left side of the histogram until you see the light outline, means a slight outline of the actual figure. So I think this much is okay. Now you need to zoom in and select the darkest area. You have to pick those pixels For that you use that eyedropper tool, and holding shift you select this, then you can see this area is marked. Now press Ctrl 0 for bringing this normal size window, and we are mostly done with this. Now we have to delete these two layers and open curves. From here select this second eyedropper tool. Here it is written sample in image to set gray point. Select that one, and now zoom in and select the center of that selected pixel, and then press Ctrl 0. And now as you can see, the white balance is normal. It is not that yellowish, it's normal. And obviously these pictures are not retouched fully, particularly this picture is not looking that great. I think I have to retouch it a lot, but I am showing you how to change the white balance. This is the purpose of this video. So for now, okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you do so, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and hit that like button. And if I am wrong at some places, then tell me that in that comment section. And if you like this video, then also appreciate me a little in comment section. Your appreciation can motivate me a little.